Fiji, and that's the offload. With nobody back home, it's a saunter in for Veloa, who gets another score, and the divers.
Not much breeze happening here. This isn't Las Vegas. Closed dome stadium here at BC Place. The jump step. Veloa is away.
Another offload, and another big man with a little bit of space in front of him. Buckingham gets it away, and now Veloa to the corner, the big fend, and there's another.
Slot bottom back on the field, and now Hutchison dummying going. It's sharp work from Hutchison over the Miller, who's quick. Rocky Miller looking to outpace the cover defense. It's a desperate shot.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In an ocean of all this emotion. Best for sure.
Natungu now. Lays it off to Veloa. And here's the first try.
Doing it against the Aussies as well. They've broken the green and gold's heart so many times across the series. There's the offload and go now for Veloa. Veloa! 19 plays, 15 kick to come. Look at him, only a small man, but he has the step and he has the strength as well. Just brushes off the would-be defender from Australia, Louis Holland, I think it was.
Near side, the flick goes back. Turning the corner is Veloa.
Comes around the corner. He knows if Norton stays wide, he's going. He comes in, he's given the ball. So he took the going option, got it done.
Nasoko puts it out in front for the man who scored their opening try. Veloa, Nasoko.
The 6. This Fijian squad cup wins at Cape Town and Hamilton. And a man loose, and that is Veloa. And Terio, Veloa. Fresh off the bench. Fiji looked to attack by jump step. Toward the center of the field. Oh, what a beautiful step.
Pick up great hands there. Denalangi. Veloa. Ball to the ground from Hustle Folau.
Goes to the Fijians. And there's some open space, and trying to exploit that is Veloa. He does, and a big cruiser.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball. You're not fooling me, not fooling
Across the chalk. And Duba got the pass away. Oh, look at the stepping now from Veloa.
Semi-finals of 2014.
I'll be there when you're looking for something.
Great work from Terio Tamani. Tamani comes back this year. Tamani into the 22. Looking to take it on the late drop. Runs across, gets out of the tackle, and that kind of indecision there. That's what he needed. He saw the hole, and he went for it.
And
for support line. They're going to run it in.
Coming through, he might be able to out-jump, but he gets the angle and gets it back for his team. Sneaks him through, hands through Ravouvou. Not often you're going to see that now. Nobody's here in the face for Australia. They're lined up out wide in Fiji. They're going to cut them open. It's so easy.
Footwork and then held there. Beautiful ball inside. Belawa, a clear run in.
Terio Belawa, he's a pocket rocket. You give him the outside, he's just got too much gas. A sweeper has got no chance against somebody of his calibre. So easy, he's smiling, he's enjoying it.